Mastering time expressions with when. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an important and very useful topic, using the relative adverb, when, with general time expressions. As always, we'll be highlighting the key points and rules so you can use when like a native speaker. Before we dive into using when with general time expressions, let's do a quick recap. The word when is a relative adverb. It is used to connect two clauses and refers to a time. For example, I remember the day when we first met. Do you recall when we used to play in the park? Now that we have a clear understanding of when as a relative adverb, let's learn how to use it with general time expressions. A general time expression refers to a period of time that isn't specific. Words like sometime, anytime, every time, and phrases like the moment can all be general time expressions. The relative adverb, when, can be used with these expressions to connect a specific event to a general time period. It adds detail to the statement and makes your English more fluent and natural. Let's take a look at some examples. I feel happy when I see you. Call me when you have time. Notice that we don't use specific times or dates, but we still give a general sense of when these actions take place. While when is quite flexible, there are still some rules and restrictions you need to keep in mind. 1. Don't use when after time in sentences that show frequency. In these cases, when is not needed and can make the sentence sound unnatural. For example, we say, I go to the gym 3 times a week, not, I go to the gym 3 times when a week. 2. When is not used with specific dates or times. For example, instead of saying, do you remember when December 25th, 2023? You would say, do you remember December 25th, 2023? Remember these rules and you'll be using when with general time expressions like a pro. And that's it for today's lesson on using the relative adverb, when, with general time expressions. With some practice, you'll soon be able to naturally and fluently incorporate this structure into your own English speaking and writing. Remember, language learning is a journey, so take it one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Keep practicing and happy learning.